Alright, doing this quick update video, cat update video. Just got back from the veterinarian, and turns out he's healing. Yeah, that's just what his ear looks like now. That's... oh, whoops. That's just what his ear looks like now, apparently. Meesh. He's just gonna be a one-eared cat, I guess. Well, two-eared, but one of them is pretty shriveled. Yeah, we just have to go back in 3 weeks for a final checkup, and if all is good, then, well, yeah, I'm not sure what else to say, except, he's a cat, he's an orange cat, and he's Le Wiggly. E-Wiggly. No? Huh, okay. Huh.